everyone, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I still have way more decorations to make for my Christmas tree. So I have a ton of these tumbling tower blocks or Jenga blocks that I got from Dollar Tree. So I am going to be jazzing up some of these ornaments. So what you're going to do is, what you should do is you're going to take wood glue and you're going to glue your tumbling tower blocks together. But I want to start working now and I don't want to wait for the wood glue to dry. So I am going to be using hot glue and the wood glue so that I can start working on my ornaments now, because as of right now it is the beginning of November and I have a lot of ornaments to make if I'm going to fill my tree. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue these 4 together. Okay. I have all my blocks together. Now I got these little ornaments. They're for the mini trees, but I thought I would kind of dress them up a little bit and make them decorations for my big tree. So that's what I am doing here. So I'm just going to set this aside for right now. And what I'm going to do is I am going to take my white paint and give my blocks a decent coat of the white paint. Okay, now that I have a coat of white paint on them, I'm going to take my ink paint from Waverly, and I'm going to put a coat of that over the white. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these painted up with my black or my ink, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to put these ornaments together. Okay, now that I have them all painted, I'm going to take this nail file that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am just going to go around the edges very lightly because I want to bring out the white from underneath it. So I'm just going to go ahead, and this is probably going to take a little bit, and go around and distress all the edges. Okay, now that I have them all distressed, I'm just going to take my nail file and just kind of distress the fronts of them a little bit. Take a little bit of the black paint off. Just like that. Not going to go too crazy, maybe a couple spots. See if I can try to get the white through. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do that to all my pieces. Okay, so I wasn't getting the results that I wanted with the nail file, so I'm just taking this gritty sandpaper. It is pretty gritty, and I'm just kind of going across the front of the blocks, just so I can get some of that white to show through. Just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the edges a little bit more. Now that I have them all roughed up, I'm just taking a paper towel and I am getting some of the dust off of there so that I will be able to glue my trees onto it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my ornaments that I got from Walmart, and I am going to take these off of here, and I am going to hot glue these onto my Jenga blocks. Okay, so then I'm just going to stick some hot glue on here and put them on the Jenga blocks or tumbling tower blocks. Pretty easy. It was actually a little time consuming gluing all the blocks together and all that, but I really think it makes these ornaments really stand out. And it's gonna look, I think they're gonna look really cute on the Christmas tree. Yes, I didn't do the backs because the way I'm gonna put the ribbon on, you're only gonna see the front anyway, so I wasn't really worried about the back. But I'm actually pretty excited to do all my own ornaments on my tree. I've never done that before. All right, and then there's just one more thing that I have to do to finish these off. Okay, so I had some really old ribbon in my stash. Look at that, 39 cents on clearance. I believe this was a Shopko tag. That is really old, and I have not used it, but now I am using it up. So good thing, you know, I saved that in my stash. All right, so then I cut the ribbon up already, and then I'm gonna put the ribbon on the back of the ornaments, and I'm gonna go across the whole thing. I'm not gonna do the like this, because I feel like if you do it like that, it's gonna spin on the tree. So I am going to put my ribbon like this. And I think that if I do it like this, it's gonna stay on the branch a lot better, and it's not gonna flip around on the tree. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get those other ones done, but I think these turned out really cute. Yeah, if you wanna decorate your tree, go grab some ornaments from Walmart or Dollar Tree, the little tiny ones like these, and you can make your own ornaments. I think they turned out really cute. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these. So that is it for this video. I'm going to do a couple more with Jenga blocks using basically the same thing, but I'm just going to cut this video off so it doesn't get too long. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you get crafting. I hope you decorate your tree this year with me. I'm excited to put all the ornaments on the tree once I get them done. I do not have that many done yet, but I'm working on it. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!